This is the Unit Sales Profile Factory where we make, store, and recall profiles. What we're doing, folks, is we're making quick profiles without having to enter 24 months. This is what we do. We just come in here and we spin in the numbers. Okay? Now, if this is not enough units, just make a profile that you feel comfortable that shows the basic type of growth. And then watch what we do. Okay? Let's say we like this, that it flattens out because of seasonality or something. We come over here and we can multiply this. Now, it's the same curve. It's actually getting more volume underneath it by virtue of this number here. Bingo! That's what we got here. Spinners generate, and see how easy it is? Now, if you don't want to spin it in, be my guest, you can enter it in here, but the spinners are much quicker. And we have a place to store and recall up to 5 profiles. This is the fastest way to do any kind of high resolution, month by month, for the first 24 months, unit sales. Remember, if you're going to make revenues, you have to know your prices and you have to know how many units you're selling per month. What this does is it says 43 units times the 32 is 140 units for the quarter, the fourth quarter, and it's basically spreading them out through the months to create a reasonable beginning and ending point. And there's the fancy math that we're using. And that's it, folks. That's simple. This is fast and quick. I love doing it. I love making these little curves. All day long I could do this. Thanks.